How to use AI for tax planning and optimization. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Clarity. Let me ask you something that might annoy you a little. How much money did you overpay in taxes last year without even realizing it? For most people, the answer is probably more than they think. Every year, millions of Americans leave money on the table because they don't fully understand tax deductions, credits, retirement contributions, or investment strategies that could lower their tax bill. Now here's the interesting part. Artificial intelligence is getting better and better at helping with tax planning. Some AI tools can analyze your financial situation, suggest legal ways to reduce your taxes, and even help you plan ahead for future tax years. It sounds powerful, and in many ways it is. But here's the catch. Using AI for tax planning can be extremely helpful, or it can get you into serious trouble if you use it incorrectly. Tax laws are complex, and AI doesn't always understand the full context of your situation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use AI for tax planning and optimization in a smart and responsible way. I'll share practical prompts, tools, and strategies that can help you legally reduce your taxes, while also warning you about the risks. If you want to stop overpaying the government every year and start using technology to keep more of your money, stick around. This video is for you. Let's get into it. What AI can and cannot do for tax planning. Before we go further, let's set realistic expectations. What AI is good at: explaining tax concepts in simple language, suggesting common deductions and credits you might qualify for, helping you organize your financial information, running different tax scenarios. For example, comparing traditional versus Roth contributions, reminding you of deadlines and basic tax strategies. What AI is still not great at: giving personalized tax advice that considers every detail of your life, understanding complex tax situations, like self-employment, real estate, stock options, etc. Replacing a qualified tax professional, guaranteeing that its suggestions are 100% accurate or legal in your specific case. AI can be a helpful assistant for tax planning, but it should not be your only source of tax advice, especially if your situation is complicated. Best ways to use AI for tax planning. Here are some practical ways people are using AI for taxes in 2026. 1. Understanding tax concepts. AI can explain complicated tax rules in simple terms. This is especially useful if you're self-employed, have investments, or are dealing with major life changes: marriage, buying a house, having kids, etc. 2. Finding deductions and credits. You can ask AI to list common deductions and credits based on your situation. While it won't catch everything, it can help you think of things you might have missed. 3. Comparing tax strategies. AI is good at running what-if scenarios. For example, you can ask it to compare contributing to a traditional IRA versus a Roth IRA and show you the potential tax impact. 4. Organizing financial information. You can use AI to help categorize expenses, summarize financial reports, or prepare information for your accountant. 5. Long-term tax planning. AI can help you think about multi-year strategies, such as Roth conversions, tax loss harvesting, or timing major income and deductions. Effective AI prompts for tax planning. Here are some strong prompts you can use. Prompt 1. Finding deductions text. I am self-employed and earned, lawyer, your income, last year. List the most common tax deductions and credits I might qualify for. Organize them by category and briefly explain each one. Prompt 2. Traditional versus Roth comparison text. I am your age, years old, and in the your tax bracket, tax bracket. Compare the long-term tax impact of contributing to a traditional IRA versus a Roth IRA. Assume I will be in a similar or higher tax bracket during retirement. Which option might be better for me and why? Prompt 3. Tax loss. Harvesting text. Explain how tax loss harvesting works and how I can use it to reduce my taxes this year. I have investments in a taxable brokerage account. Give me a simple step-by-step guide on how to do it properly. Prompt 4. Quarterly estimated taxes for self-employed. Text. I am self-employed and expect to earn Salary amount this year. Help me estimate how much I should pay in quarterly estimated taxes. Also suggest the best way to set aside money throughout the year. Prompt 5. Multi-year tax planning text. I want to reduce my taxes over the next 3 to 5 years. My current situation is, briefly describe your income, deductions, and goals. Suggest a multi-year tax planning strategy that I can start implementing this year. Popular AI tools for tax planning in 2026. Here are some tools people commonly use. ChatGPT, Claude, Grok. Great for explanations, comparisons, and generating ideas. TurboTax AI features. Built-in AI that helps find deductions and answer tax questions. H&R Block AI tools. Similar to TurboTax with AI-assisted filing and planning. TaxGPT and other specialized tax AI tools designed specifically for tax-related questions. Financial planning software with AI, like Projection Lab or New Retirement, can model different tax scenarios over many years. Each tool has different strengths. Many people use general AI, like ChatGPT or Claude, together with tax software. Important warnings and risks. Using AI for tax planning comes with real risks. Here are some things you should keep in mind. AI can make mistakes. It may give you suggestions that are incorrect or not applicable to your situation. Tax laws are complex. What works for one person may not work for another. AI doesn't always understand the full context. You are responsible. If you follow bad advice and get in trouble with the IRS, AI won't be held accountable. You will. Privacy concerns. Be careful about how much personal financial information you share with AI tools. Golden rule. Use AI to generate ideas and understand concepts, but always verify important information with a qualified tax professional or official IRS resources before taking action. Step-by-step framework for using AI in tax planning. Here's a practical way to use AI effectively. Step 1. Clarify your goal. Are you trying to reduce taxes this year, plan for next year, or create a multi-year strategy? Step 2. Gather your information. Have a clear picture of your income, deductions, investments, and goals before asking AI for help. Step 3. Use specific, well-written prompts. The more detailed and structured your questions are, the better the answers will be. Step 4. Cross-check the information. Don't blindly trust AI. Verify suggestions using IRS publications, tax software, or a tax professional. Step 5. Keep records. Document the strategies you implement and why you chose them. This is especially important if you ever get audited. Step 6. Review annually. Tax laws change, and your financial situation changes too. Revisit your tax plan every year. When you should use AI versus when you should see a professional. Use AI when you want to understand basic tax concepts. You're looking for general ideas and strategies. You have a relatively simple tax situation. You want to prepare questions before meeting with a tax professional. See a tax professional when your situation is complex. Self-employment, investments, real estate, multiple income sources, etc. You're making large financial decisions that have major tax consequences. You want personalized, professional tax advice you can rely on. You're dealing with an IRS issue or audit. The smartest approach for most people is to use AI as a research and learning tool, while still working with a qualified tax professional for important decisions. Final thoughts. AI can be a genuinely helpful tool for tax planning and optimization. It can help you understand complex rules, discover strategies you might have missed, and run different scenarios quickly. However, tax planning is a serious matter. The consequences of making mistakes can be expensive and stressful. AI should support your thinking, not replace professional advice when it matters most. If you use AI responsibly, combine it with good record keeping, and verify important information, it can help you keep more of your money legally and plan for a better financial future. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand how to use AI for tax planning, please like and subscribe for more practical personal finance content. Drop a comment below and let me know what tax strategies you're most interested in learning about. I read every comment. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.